Hi, my name is Matthew Philson. I'm an industrial and operations engineer here at the University of Michigan, and I'm here today to talk about my 2010 summer undergraduate research and engineering experience. So over this past summer, I've been working with PhD candidates Hoda Parvin, Fang Dong, Meng Chen, and master student Meng Chen, and Professor Mark Van Noyen. And I've actually been working on two different projects over the summer, which I'll be briefly going over today with you guys. One dealing with production lines, another dealing with ship construction. So first we'll start with the production line, which is titled Zone Chaining of Cross-Trained Workers in Serial Production Lines. Now, challenges facing production lines today include increased demand uncertainty, process variability, financial fluctuations, and credit disruptions. These challenges make flexibility within production lines extremely important, and one way to add this flexibility is to cross-train workers between multiple jobs. Now, cross-training workers has been around for quite some time, but it's the way that these workers are cross-trained and how they're implemented within the line that makes all the difference. Now, if you direct your attention to the screen, you'll see a diagram and a table displaying a system with full cross-training as well as our proposed model. On top of the significantly higher training costs incurred by full cross-training, studies have shown that training workers in too many areas actually decreases their efficiency across each area. Now, in order to counteract this, we've developed a zoning system that assigns and trains workers to their own specific zones. And so our research deals with assigning and training these workers as well as the ideal order that these zones should be implemented. Now, so far it's only been a few weeks in so far, but we've developed a model and we're in the process of debugging it. After we finish that, we're going to make sure that the model realistically simulates a real serial line and then later improve the efficiency of our zone chaining algorithm. Now, moving on, the second project I've been working on so far is called the Innovative Ship Production with Flexible End Queuing Network. And so the background of this is U.S. Shipbuilding industry right now is facing a challenge of building ships on time and at a low cost. However, they have to deal with problems such as starting construction with bad design, changes in demand, material and schedule delays, and ineffective production control. Right now, there's a high variation of process times and low facility utilization, which is our main goal that we're trying to fix, or main problem we're trying to fix, excuse me, in our research. Now, displayed on screen is the current ship construction process. And as you can see, the current process is fairly complicated, and there are quite a few branching paths depending on the state of the system. Now, if you look closely, there are two main block types, curved blocks and flat blocks, with curved blocks making up the majority of the outer hull of the ship and flat blocks making up the inside of the ship. And as expected, there are quite a few more flat blocks than curved blocks. Now, moving on, this is our model formulation. And as you can see, it's a lot simpler and a lot more streamlined. If you direct your attention to the lower left portion of the screen, we've implemented dynamic control policy, which is the end queuing model that I mentioned earlier. And because there's so many more flat blocks, we've got a very fast, efficient flat block workshop, in addition to a flexible curve block workshop that can work on either flat blocks or curved blocks. And so far, we've developed everything except the control policies, which determine how servers will choose their next job when there's both a large number of flat blocks and curved blocks. In addition, after we've completed that, we'll work on adding additional servers, as well as the ability to idle, which right now the model doesn't include that feature. So that's it for my little summary of the jobs I've been working on for right now. So a little bit about me. I've been working on with the SURE program for about a year now, and I tried it last summer, absolutely loved it, worked with the professors throughout the year, and I'm here again. So I'd highly recommend anybody slightly interested to apply. And yeah, so that's it for my presentation. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.